Good afternoon. Well, if you've been following the weather this week, you'll know we've been reminding you that July 2019, it was a record breaker, wasn't it? At Cambridge Botanic Gardens with 38.7 Celsius. July 2020 has been really quite disappointing, hasn't it? And in actual fact, this morning's Weather Watcher picture sent in from South Wales sums it up. Sunny spells, scattered showers. We haven't seen temperatures climb out of the 20s. Or have we? More on that in just a moment. For the here and now, though, we've seen some wet weather across Scotland. It's been rather breezy here as well. Scattering of showers into northwest England and Wales too. So sunny spells and scattered showers, the best way to sum up our Sunday afternoon, with the strongest of the winds and the heaviest of the rain always to the northwest of the Great Glen. But the showers lighter than yesterday and few and far between. So we should see temperatures peaking at 23 degrees. Now those showers will continue to ease away through Sunday evening and into Monday, but it's a gear change yet again with another spell of wet weather pushing in with this area of low pressure and plenty of isobars, particularly along that southern flank of the low. So some of the rain will be quite heavy. An inch or two is likely across higher ground of North Wales and northwest England. The rain pushing north and east, somewhat light and patchy as it moves its way through the Midlands and southeast England, but the winds a feature, particularly for late July. Gusts in excess of 30 to 40 miles an hour. And that's going to have an impact on the feel of the weather as well. Under the cloud and rain, disappointing 14 to 17 degrees. We might just see 21, but even that is pretty poor for this time of year. The low pressure moves away, still keeping plenty of isobars, and the wind direction swinging round to a northwesterly. That's not what you want to hear really for the end of July. That means a cooler, fresher source right across the country. You're going to notice the difference. At least on Tuesday, it will be drier, but that northwesterly wind feeding in a few scattered showers on those exposed coasts, and the temperatures are going to be a little on the disappointing side, particularly in Scotland. So highest values likely of 13 to 16 degrees. We might get 20 degrees, 68 Fahrenheit in the southeast. Now, as we move into Wednesday, again, it's a quieter story. High pressure is starting to build, but there's going to be quite a lot of fair weather cloud around and temperatures still a little bit disappointing, but we are starting to see signs of some improvement. 22 degrees the high. Now, it's Thursday that high pressure is going to really influence the story across the country. Low pressure is trying to squeeze in, and there's a level of uncertainty, the impact that's going to have further north and west, but the wind direction changing yet again, more of a southerly. It's going to drive in some milder air. For England and Wales, drier, settled, more sunshine. Highs perhaps of 26 degrees, maybe cooler and wetter continuing into the far north of Scotland. But it does look as though there are signs that as we move from Thursday towards the weekend, we'll drive up more warmth right across the country and temperatures are set to respond. So the irony is for the final day of July, it looks likely to be dry, settled, sunny and warm. That southerly wind could have an impact. We could actually see temperatures peak at 30 degrees for the first time this July on the final day of July. How long it's going to last, still subject to question because things get noticeably cooler and possibly wetter on Sunday. Bye-bye.